What up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be going over each step on how to do a drop fade. We will first start by combing out the hair so we can get a better look at what we're working with. To begin this drop fade, we will start by creating our first line. It will be about a mid-high fade on the sides, dropping down to a lower fade on the back. Starting our fade, we're going to grab our clipper, no guard, and we are going to open it up halfway and go up about 1/4 inch. Next, we will be closing the clipper all the way down to a 0, and we are going to use the corner only to fade out the bottom line. Next, keeping the clipper at a 0, we are going to add on our 0 guard, and we are going to go up another 1/4 inch using mostly the corner of our clipper. Next, we'll remove our guard, open the clipper all the way to a 1/2, and we will use the corner only to blend out the line that we created before our 0 guard. Next, we will close our clipper all the way down to a 0, put a number 1 guard on our clipper, and go up another 1/4 inch using mostly the corner of our clipper, and we will gradually open up the clipper as we move up. And now, just to make sure we removed all the bulk, to make sure this fade blends nicely into the top, we got our number 2 guard on our clipper with the clipper all the way closed. And to smooth out any areas that might look a little dark or bulky, we got a number 1 guard on our clipper all the way closed, and we are going down with the grain of the hair. And to make sure that we have a nice smooth transition into the top, we're going to pick out the hair, and we are going to grab our clipper, number 0, no guard, and very lightly just smooth out the top. And all the same steps can be repeated on the other side and on the back as well. And now we have our electric shaver to bald out the bottom and give it a even smoother transition going into the fade. When starting on the front lineup, it is very important to comb the hair down as much as possible, especially those baby hairs. And the goal is to follow the natural hairline as best as possible while still keeping it sharp. But one thing you guys need to know is that sometimes with certain hair textures, the hairline may not look sharp with just the trimmer. So don't freak out and try to push the lineup back to make it sharper. No, you want to use a straight razor at the end. That will make the hairline really stand out. Just keep following the natural lineup. Do not push the lineup back. Alright, and using one of my favorite holding foam products, we're going to add this to the top and make sure to dry it out. And once it's dry, we will use our twist sponge to create a nice curl. Alright, and now you can go ahead and grab your twist sponge and go ahead and create a curl. It doesn't matter which side you use. I like to use the rigid side. You can decide to use the flat side as well. Both sides work depending on the hair texture. And you can go either direction, it doesn't really matter. And yeah, you just want to keep going and working sections of the head to make sure you get a nice even curl pattern all the way around. After using the twist sponge, I want to just comb down the baby hairs one more time to catch any loose hairs that are sticking out. Make sure the lineup can last as long as possible. And then this is the final touch to make sure your lineup lasts long and looks its best. The straight razor, you want to stretch the skin as much as possible and follow the natural hairline. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helped someone, and if you don't mind, go ahead and hitting that like and subscribe button. That would truly help my channel a whole lot. Thank you so much again, and I'll catch you in the next video.